One of the most incredible processes in biology is this. Every single one of us began as just one tiny cell. That miracle happened inside a place called the uterus, a protected environment where life begins, grows, and develops. In this video, we'll break down how the female reproductive system works, why periods happen, and how hormones control the entire menstrual cycle. Don't worry, we'll keep it simple, clear, and interesting. Let's get started. Brain female reproductive anatomy. The female reproductive system has a few key structures. Ovaries. These produce eggs and important hormones.
The ovary houses
Fallopian
thousands
tubes.
of tiny follicles.
These guide the egg after it's released.
Several begin to
Uterus, where a
These
baby
spherical
can develop
structures are the
during
ovarian
pregnancy.
follicles,
Cervix
each
and
containing an
vaginal
immature
canal,
egg
the
cell.
passageways of the
This
system.
detailed view
The
highlights
ovaries
the
are
thick,
small,
glandular
about the
structure of
size
the
of
uterine
almonds,
wall,
but they
essential for
play a
supporting early
huge role
pregnancy.
in reproduction and hormone regulation. Each month, one ovary prepares to release an egg. That's where the menstrual cycle begins.
The
What
functional
is the
layer of the
menstrual cycle?
endometrium breaks
The
down
menstrual
as blood
cycle
supply is cut
usually
off.
lasts about 28
Myometrial
days,
contractions.
although some variation is completely normal. Day 1 of the cycle is the first day of menstrual bleeding. During this time, the inner lining of the uterus, called the endometrium, breaks down and exits the body through the vaginal canal. This bleeding can last anywhere from 1 to 7 days, and it's a normal part of a healthy reproductive system. Behind the scenes, hormones are running the entire process. Two key hormones are released from the brain's pituitary gland: FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, and LH, luteinizing hormone. FSH stimulates follicles inside the ovary to begin developing. Each follicle contains an immature egg. Every month, around 6 to 12 follicles may start developing, but usually only one becomes dominant. Around day 14, there's a sudden spike in LH. This spike triggers ovulation, the release of one egg from the ovary. The menstrual cycle has three main phases: follicular phase, the egg matures;
As progesterone
ovulation
levels
phase,
rise,
the egg is
endometrium
released;
thickens
and
becomes
luteal
highly
phase,
vascularized.
the body prepares for pregnancy. During ovulation, estrogen levels rise. Estrogen plays many roles, including influencing mood and libido. After ovulation, progesterone levels increase. Progesterone thickens the uterine lining, making it ready for a fertilized egg to implant. That's why periods stop during pregnancy. And that's the female reproductive system, a complex but beautifully coordinated process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what topic you'd like next. And remember, if you've ever spent time in a uterus at any point in your life, this video applies to you. Thanks for watching.